Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Krishna, your Spanish educator. So in this video we will learn some vowels, vowel pronunciation in Spanish. Okay, as you know there are 5 vowels in the English alphabet and the same as Spanish alphabets. So vowel in English and in Spanish we will say vocal or vocales. Vocales is used for plurals and vocal is used for singular. Okay, so here is 5 vowels. So we will say 5 means, as you know, cinco, and vowels means vocales. Vocales because there are 5, not a singular, they are plural. Okay friends, so cinco vocales. A, E, I, O, U. Okay friends, here is also written in Hindi word. So there are 5 vowels and rest of them are consonant and in Spanish consonantes. And you know friend, how many letters in Spanish alphabet? Do you know? Okay, I will tell you. Total letters in Spanish alphabet are 27. In English there is 26, but in Spanish there is 27. Okay friends, so here is some demo for consonante and vocal when we write together. Okay, so consonante plus vocal. So here is consonante and here is vocal. It means vowels and consonant. So it is a B and A, B and A. It becomes ba. They, E, they. Khota and E, khi. Ele, not L, ele, O, elo. Ma, u, emu. Okay friends, and there are some important rules. If any word start with the H, then it will be silent. I mean H will be silent. Here is one example, like hola. We will write HOLA, but here H is silent. Okay, here H is, that's why we will pronounce hola. Okay friends, not hola. But if word is not start with H, then we will pronounce the whole words like Chico. Okay, here C comes before H. You can see C is come before H. Okay friends, so that's why we will pronounce it Chico. And here are some other examples, like if we want to write ka, so this is a wrong method in Spanish. So let me cut it. This is ka, not right. This one is right. Ca, it becomes ka. K, this is right. K. Q, it is K. Key. Okay. Ko, this is wrong. Ko, this one is right. Ko. Okay friends, and at the end of this video I wanna tell you one important thing friends. Sometimes you will see some special sign on some letters, like this one N and this one is Espanol. Okay, this sign and this sign and this sign. Okay, so this sign is basically called it tilde. Okay, this is tilde and acento, both we can say it, both tilde and acento. Okay friends, in my next video I will tell about this signs. Okay friends, so till then, bye bye, take care, and please if you like my video, so please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you friends.